mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. April 21, 2024, Sunday Racing. 7 races lang ang naka-line up sa Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. All races ay 1,400 meter run. Umpisahan na po natin ang ating mga choices. Race 1, only choice, number 3, Apo ni Maria. Race 2, first choice at only choice na, number 2, Fortissimo. Race 3, first choice, number 5, Money for Gabriel. Second choice, number 7, Hans City. Third choice, number 4, Hook on the Rhine. Race 4, first choice, number 1, Sis Royal. Second choice, number 5, I'll Be There. Race 5, first choice, number 1, Louisville. Second choice, number 3, Gamer Winner. Race 6, race na may pentafecta. First choice, number 6, Jawo. Second choice, number 8, Celebrity. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. Bago po ang ating mga cool choices, sana po muling matapat ang ating pong mga tip para makatulong sa inyong diskarte. First choice, number 9, Alasabon. Second choice, number 2, Oktubre 14. Third choice, number 7, Snow White. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!